流血，流血，流血。
bleed,
bleed.
你的手怎么流血了？你的手怎么流血了？你的手怎么流血了？
why are your hands bleeding?
Why are your hands bleeding?
不小心割伤了，不小心割伤了，不小心割伤了。
I got cut accidentally.
I got cut accidentally.
在打斗中，他受伤了，鼻子还流血。在打斗中，他受伤了，鼻子还流血。在打斗中，他受伤了，鼻子还流血。
During the fight, he was injured, and his nose was bleeding.
During the fight, he was injured, and his nose was bleeding.
刷牙时，牙龈流血是身体给你的警告。刷牙时，牙龈流血是身体给你的警告。刷牙时，牙龈流血是身体给你的警告。
Bleeding gums when brushing your teeth is a warning from your body.
Bleeding gums when brushing your teeth is a warning from your body.
擦，擦，擦。
Wipe,
Wipe.
他正在擦窗户。他正在擦窗户。他正在擦窗户。
she is wiping the windows.
She is wiping the windows.
你的脸脏了，用纸巾擦擦一下。你的脸脏了，用纸巾擦擦一下。你的脸脏了，用纸巾擦擦一下。
Your face is dirty, wipe it with a tissue.
Your face is dirty, wipe it with a tissue.
他一边擦眼泪，一边讲述自己的心碎经历。他一边擦眼泪，一边讲述自己的心碎经历。他一边擦眼泪，一边讲述自己的心碎经历。
She wiped away tears as she recounted her heartbreak.
She wiped away tears as she recounted her heartbreak.
气候，气候，气候。
Climate,
Climate.
中国南北气候有很大区别。中国南北气候有很大区别。中国南北气候有很大区别。
There is a big difference in climate between the north and south of China.
There is a big difference in climate between the north and south of China.
由于不适应那里的气候，他经常生病。由于不适应那里的气候，他经常生病。由于不适应那里的气候，他经常生病。
He often fell ill because he couldn't adapt to the climate there.
He often fell ill because he couldn't adapt to the climate there.
二氧化碳是全球气候变暖的罪魁祸首。二氧化碳是全球气候变暖的罪魁祸首。二氧化碳是全球气候变暖的罪魁祸首。
Carbon dioxide is the main culprit of global warming.
Carbon dioxide is the main culprit of global warming.
估计，估计，估计。
Estimate,
Estimate.
你估计一下，还需要多长时间才能完成？你估计一下，还需要多长时间才能完成？你估计一下，还需要多长时间才能完成？
Can you estimate how long it will take to complete?
Can you estimate how long it will take to complete?
我估计还需要1个月左右的时间。我估计还需要1个月左右的时间。 我估计还需要1个月左右的时间。
I estimate it will take another month or so.
I estimate it will take another month or so.
我估计包裹大约需要2-3天才能到达。我估计包裹大约需要2-3天才能到达。我估计包裹大约需要2-3天才能到达。
I estimate it will take about 2 or 3 days for the package to arrive.
I estimate it will take about 2 or 3 days for the package to arrive.
咳嗽，咳嗽，咳嗽。
Cough.
Cough.
我感冒了，不停地咳嗽。我感冒了，不停地咳嗽。我感冒了，不停地咳嗽。
I have a cold and keep coughing.
I have a cold and keep coughing.
抽烟可能会导致咳嗽更加严重。抽烟可能会导致咳嗽更加严重。抽烟可能会导致咳嗽更加严重。
Smoking may make your cough worse.
Smoking may make your cough worse.
每天晚上我都会被他的咳嗽声吵醒。每天晚上我都会被他的咳嗽声吵醒。每天晚上我都会被他的咳嗽声吵醒。
Every night I would be woken up by his coughing.
Every night I would be woken up by his coughing.
严重，严重，严重。
Serious.
Serious.
他的病情越来越严重。他的病情越来越严重。他的病情越来越严重。
His condition is getting worse.
His condition is getting worse.
全球气候变暖所带来的影响非常严重。全球气候变暖所带来的影响非常严重。全球气候变暖所带来的影响非常严重。
The impact of global warming is very serious.
The impact of global warming is very serious.
如果我们不采取行动，情况只会变得更加严重。如果我们不采取行动，情况只会变得更加严重。如果我们不采取行动，情况只会变得更加严重。
If we don't take action, the situation will only get worse.
If we don't take action, the situation will only get worse.
窗户，窗户，窗户。
Window.
Window.
这个房间有2扇窗户。这个房间有2扇窗户。这个房间有2扇窗户。
This room has 2 windows.
This room has 2 windows.
咱们把沙发移到靠近窗户的地方吧。咱们把沙发移到靠近窗户的地方吧。咱们把沙发移到靠近窗户的地方吧。
Let's move the sofa closer to the window.
Let's move the sofa closer to the window.
窗户的旁边有几盆绿色植物。窗户的旁边有几盆绿色植物。窗户的旁边有几盆绿色植物。
There are several pots of green plants next to the window.
There are several pots of green plants next to the window.
谢谢观看。